With time, business is changing, ideas are developing, and people are hoping for better services. Not every business idea needs a lot of money. A small manufacturing business can easily be run. Well, it is just like a company that makes goods for sale. Well, small manufacturing businesses may operate in a variety of industries. If you're looking to start your own manufacturing business from your garage, but don't have a lot of capital to invest, then this video is just for you, because we are going to cover the top 15 small manufacturing business ideas that can be started with the latest cheap machinery. So let's talk about these businesses. 3D printing services. 3D printing services are so popular at this time. This technology has become more affordable. Through this business, you can create custom products quickly and cost-effectively without expensive molds or tooling. Basically, the 3D business industry offers different niches. You can go with one of them. For it, you need access to high-quality 3D printers and the software and expertise to design and print 3D objects. You also need to invest in marketing and sales efforts to attract clients. By leveraging the latest 3D printing technology, you can produce modern, durable, and reliable printing. Handmade soap making. Handmade soap making is also a popular small manufacturing business idea that has gained popularity in recent years. The demand for natural and organic products is increasing. Through a handmade soap making business, you can offer a unique selling proposition for customers who are looking for these types of products. You need to have a good understanding of the chemistry and ingredients involved in making soap. They will also need access to high-quality ingredients, such as natural oils and fragrances, as well as molds, cutting tools, and packaging materials. You can sell your products on different social media platforms, online marketplaces, local farmers markets, and retail stores. Custom t-shirt printing. Printing t-shirts becomes the most wanted thing. Well, custom t-shirt printing is a famous small manufacturing business idea that offers a lot of opportunities to tap into the lucrative apparel market. With a custom t-shirt printing business, you can make one-of-a-kind designs and products for a variety of customers, such as individuals, schools, teams, and businesses. To start a custom t-shirt printing business, you need access to high-quality printing equipment, like a heat press or screen printing machine. You may also need design software and graphic design skills to make unique designs for your clients. You can sell your products through various channels, like online marketplaces, social media, and local retail stores. Custom t-shirt printing offers personalized designs and products to customers. Personalized gift manufacturing is also a popular business. You can customize mugs and picture frames, jewelry, and home decor items for gifts. For this business, you need access to high-quality materials like engraving machines, 3D printers, and embroidery machines. You also need design skills and software to make personalized designs for your clients. You can sell your products both offline and online. You can also offer customized products as gifts for special events, like weddings, birthdays, and corporate events. Jewelry making. The jewelry making business specializes in different types of jewelry, such as necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and rings. To start a jewelry making business, you need high-quality materials like beads, gemstones, and metal wire, pliers, wire cutters, and a jewelry saw. You can sell your products through online marketplaces, social media, and local retail stores. They can also offer customized products for special events, such as weddings, birthdays, and other celebrations. You can attract customers by making unique and personalized pieces of traditional jewelry. Candle making. Candle making businesses also specialize in a variety of candle types, such as pillar candles, votive candles, and scented candles. To start this business, you will need access to high-quality materials like waxes, wicks, and fragrance oils. You also need specialized tools like a double boiler, a thermometer, and a pouring pitcher. Well, you can sell these products on online marketplaces, social media, and local retail stores. You can create unique and scented products to attract customers. Pet food and treat manufacturing. As we all know, there are a lot of pet lovers on our planet. That's why pet food will always be in demand. You can start this business. Well, it can specialize in a variety of products like dog food, cat food, and organic treats. To start a pet food and treat manufacturing business, you need access to high-quality ingredients like meats, vegetables, and grains. You also need some equipment like mixers, extruders, and ovens. Well, you can sell your products via online marketplaces, pet stores, and veterinary clinics. You can also offer customized products that are gluten-free or hypoallergenic. But to start this business, you must have an idea about leveraging pet nutrition. Natural skincare product manufacturing. This popular business offers the opportunity to make high-quality and organic skincare products. You can create different products like face creams, lotions, and serums. To start this business, you need access to high-quality ingredients like natural oils, herbs, and essential oils. Organic food manufacturing. This is a rapidly growing small manufacturing business idea. You can start this business by creating high-quality and healthy food products like snacks, cereals, and baby food. Well, you need to buy high-quality organic ingredients like fruits and vegetables, and a few specialized pieces of equipment like mixers, ovens, and packaging machinery. Homemade snack. Homemade snack manufacturing is a popular small manufacturing business idea. Well, you can create high-quality and tasty snack products like chips, popcorn, and energy bars. To start a homemade snack, you need to buy high-quality ingredients like grains, nuts, and fruits, and a few specialized pieces of equipment like mixers, ovens, and packaging machinery. Portable charger manufacturing. Portable charger demand is increasing day by day. It is a small manufacturing business idea that is also very popular and offers entrepreneurs the opportunity to make high-quality portable power banks. To start this business, you will need to invest in specialized equipment like lithium-ion batteries, power management circuits, and custom-designed enclosures. Moreover, you must have a deep understanding of the technical aspects of battery manufacturing and design. Solar panel manufacturing. The solar panel manufacturing business idea offers the opportunity to make sustainable, renewable energy products. To start it, you may need to invest in specialized or heavy equipment like photovoltaic cells, encapsulation materials, and mounting structures. Electric car conversion kits. Electric car conversion kit manufacturing is a small manufacturing business idea. Well, the demand for electric vehicles is growing, so you can start this business. To start it, you may need to invest in specialized equipment like electric motors, battery packs, and power control units. Drone manufacturing. Drones are rapidly in demand. Well, this business idea can be started by creating innovative and cutting-edge products. To start this, you may need to invest in specialized equipment like high-tech components, sensors, and cameras. You should also have a deep understanding of the technical aspects of drone technology and design. Drone manufacturing businesses can sell their products to a variety of customers, such as government agencies, businesses, and individuals. Drones can be used for a range of applications, such as aerial photography, surveying, inspection, search and rescue, and agriculture. Biofuel manufacturing. Basically, biofuels are derived from organic matter like crops, agricultural waste, and food waste. Well, the biofuel manufacturing business offers a substitute for traditional fossil fuels. To start it, you need to invest in specialized equipment like fermentation tanks, distillation columns, and centrifuges. You also have a deep understanding of the technical aspects of biofuel production. Here is my number +1 600 46229 2703.